Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how did I make these crispy uh, potato chips and see how good they are. And I used the normal potatoes that are available in German markets. See how perfect they are. And this is something that I used to eat a lot when I was a kid. So yeah, let's get started. For making potato chips, you need obviously potato, and these are fast cook and normal potato that is available everywhere in Germany. And you just have to use a mandolin to make thin chips. Now you have to wash the chips, and then you have to cook a bit with a bit of baking powder. And see, baking powder is called Backpulver in Germany. So here is the common picture of Backpulver, and I use half teaspoon of it. I cooked it a bit, and then afterwards I dried it. So see, and the chips are cooking. So I use clean cloth to dry it up. I lined a sheet with that, and then I put the potato chips on it, and then I put it in the window slit for having some sunlight. And then after a whole day it will be dried like this. Now we will fry the chips and see how it is made. I didn't put any salt in making chips. You can add it later, because maybe I can use these chips during fasting also. So see how perfect these chips are, and then let's try it. Find this recipe was very simple and easy. I have the similar recipe of making banana chips in my channel, so you can make this perfect banana chips also at home. So for similar recipes, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.